Hello, I'm Anna Mackay and this video is about solving within a formula. So we're going to be substituting some numbers in and doing some rearranging of formulas. So let's see what we have here. If m is equal to 3b squared plus 2a, we're being asked to find a when b is equal to 4 and m is equal to 2. Now my first tip with these questions is look at what you're being asked to find. So you find the word find and see what letter comes after it, A. So in this equation, the A is here. Now, in terms of the equal sign, it's on the right-hand side. We usually find it easier to solve things when the thing that we're trying to solve for is on the left-hand side. So this whole equation here, we can actually flip around. We can put that on the left and put the M on the right. So let's do that first. I'll even write that in a different colour. 3b squared plus 2a is equal to m. So now that a is on the left hand side, let's substitute in the numbers that we do know. B is 4, so we're going to get 3 times by 4 squared plus 2a is equal to m, which is 72. So now we need to start tidying up this equation so that we get a on its own on the left hand side of the equals. So tidy this up. 4 squared is 16 and the rest we just keep there. Now make sure, my students, you have your calculators handy and you're writing down everything that you see here, the question and the answers. Do 3 times 16, what do you get? 48. And the rest stays there, plus 2a equals 72. Now, you're usually used to seeing that perhaps as 2a plus 48, but they're around the other way. Don't let that put you off. We need to use inverse operations to get a on its own. And the last thing being done to it would be add 48. So the opposite of add 48 would be minus 48. And what you do to one side, you must do to the other. So those 48s have cancelled out, and on the left-hand side, we're left with 2a. And what is 72 take 48? 24. Now here, it's 2a is equal to 24. 2a, what operation is being done there? Add, times, take, divide? Well, when you can't see it, it's a multiply. So you have 2 multiplied by a is equal to 24. The opposite of multiply by 2 is divide by 2. I hope you said that. So we are left with a is equal to 12. And go back and read the question, find a, and that's what we've done. So we can move on. One more. So this is actually the formula for simple interest, in case you're interested. If I is equal to PRT over 100, we need to find R when the other variables equal these numbers. So being asked to find R, look at where that is in terms of the equals. It's currently on the right. We need to switch it around so it's on the left. You don't have to, but you'll find it makes life easier later on to be able to see what you need to do. Okay, so now you substitute in these other numbers. So I is 910. Actually, I'm going to do that one last because I need the space. P is 7,000 times by R times by T, which is 2, over 100 is equal to I, which is 910. So now we need to work out this multiply. It doesn't matter that the 7,000 and the 2 are separated. That doesn't matter. Do 7,000 multiplied by 2 to get 14,000 R over 100 equals 910. Now there are a few ways that you could solve for R now, and some that perhaps are more efficient, but I'm going to show the way that I think my students will respond best to. So this is currently being divided by 100, so we need to do the opposite of that. So we need to times by 100 and therefore write out what's left. So our 4,000 R is equal to 91000, 3 zeros. And now R is being multiplied by 14,000. The opposite of multiply by 14,000 is divide. Have your calculators handy. Tell me what 91,000 divided by 14,000 is. What did you get? R is equal to 6.5. So that would be our rate if it was an interest question. So that was the end of the algebra series. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.